Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming education by making learning more personalized, engaging, and accessible. For educators, AI can reduce workload and support the creation of innovative learning environments that foster creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. In this video, I will discuss 5 AI tools that is currently used in education. I will also be explaining their advantages, disadvantages, and practical application in supporting an innovative learning environment. First up, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI powered conversational assistant that can answer questions, generate content, explain concept, and provide learning support to both students and teachers. Some advantages of ChatGPT is that they could provide instant explanation and feedback, they can support personalized learning, they could generate worksheets and assessment questions and available anytime and anywhere, very accessible. But some of the limitations, they could provide inaccurate information at times, which requires the user to verify the facts, and students may become overly dependent on AI generated answers. So, how does ChatGPT supports innovative learning environment? Well, as an example, for a science class teaching ecosystems, students can ask ChatGPT different questions based on their learning needs. A struggling students may ask ChatGPT to explain the concept of food chains. But for an advanced students, they could ask ChatGPT to explore the impact of human activities on ecosystem. This promotes differentiate learning and independent inquiry. The second AI tool is Canva Magic Studios. Canva combines AI with design tools to help users to create engaging presentations, posters, infographic, videos, and educational resources. Some of the advantages of Canva Magic Studio is that they are user friendly, easy to learn, it produces visually appealing materials, it encourages creativity and collaboration, and saves time on design. Some limitations are advanced features may require subscription, and it does require internet connectivity. One practical example of Canva Magic Studios in education is instead of asking students to write a traditional report, students can make digital posters, engaging presentations, and videos using Canva. This promotes communication, collaboration, and increased digital literacy. Next up is Gamma. Gamma is an AI tool that helps generate presentations, web page, and reports just from simple prompts. Some advantages is that it could create presentations quickly, produce professional looking materials, and allows educators to focus more on content rather than design. But the limitations of this tool is that AI generated content may require more editing, it has limited customization, and some features may require you to pay. A practical example of using Gamma, a teacher preparing a lesson can generate a complete presentation within minutes. The time saved can be invested on designing hands on investigations and group discussions. Similarly, a student can save time by generating their project presentation more efficiently and spend more time researching and analyzing information. The fourth tool, Quizzes AI. This platform uses AI to generate assessment, quizzes, and interactive learning activities. Some advantages of using this platform is that it can create assessment quickly, provides immediate feedback, increases student engagement through gamification, and provides learning analytics for teachers. But some limitations is that students may focus more on the competition rather than understanding the content. AI generated content may require review, and it depends on internet access. How to apply this tool in the class? After teaching a topic, a teacher can generate an AI powered quiz as an end of class assessment. Students can give immediate feedback, and teachers can review performance data to identify misconception and adjust future instructions. This develops a more responsive and student centered learning environment. Last but not least, Edu8.ai. Unlike the previous tools mentioned, Edu8.ai is catered specifically for teachers in supporting lesson planning, assessment design, instruction design, and differentiation. Some advantages using this app is that it can generate lesson plans and teaching materials efficiently, it could reduce teacher workload, and it could support differentiation instructions. But some of the disadvantages is that it caters specifically for teachers, so students can't find much use of this one. Generated materials does require teacher review, and some features may require a paid subscription. A practical application of this app is that a teacher can generate worksheets based on the student's learning capabilities. Higher achieving students can receive worksheets that have application based questions, whereas struggling students can receive questions that give more support and scaffold. This ensures all learners are participating meaningfully and can progress according to their capabilities. In conclusion, AI tools are transforming education by supporting innovative learning environments that are personalized, collaborative, creative, and engaging. ChatGPT helps personalize learning, Canva fosters creativity, Gamma streamlines content creation, Quizzes AI enhances assessment and engagement, while Edu8.ai supports differentiated instruction and lesson planning. When used responsibly, these tools do not replace teachers. Instead, they empower educators to focus on meaningful learning experiences while preparing students with the critical thinking, communication, creativity, and digital literacy skills required in the 21st century. Thank you for watching.